everybody, I am presently on top of the roof of my tiny house, and you can see the sunset back in the background. It's beautiful, and I just finished my roof. This is going to be a really quick video because the process was really straightforward and simple, and I knocked it out in a couple days. Let me show you around. Roofing was really straightforward. I showed in my last video I already had the roof sheeted with OSB, and after that it was just a matter of laying down some drip edge, and then I rolled out the roofing felt and nailed on some composite shingles. These shingles were free. My dad gave them to me. They were leftovers from another project, and I ended with one full sort of banged up shingle and a few little tiny scraps left. So it was the perfect amount. And there you have it. Thanks for following along. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like my channel, the most awesome thing you could do would be to pick your favorite video and share it on your social media, because all of a sudden that's gonna get a lot more eyes on my project. And if you did that, that would be awesome. I would super appreciate it. See you in the next update.